These Glenwood Canyon tunnels might not be the longest, but they are 4,000 feet long. And a warm welcome after 700 miles of the desert just to get there. Today, we'll roll into Camp Buena Vista and meet the other riders. Welcome to ADV, Colorado. This is what a sunrise looks like in the Rocky Mountains. Wow.
I'll take two.
Oh, check this out. Minturn, Colorado.
Minturn was probably one of the prettiest small old ghost towns I think I've seen in Colorado.
Looks like they're having a craft fair. Rocky Mountain Taco. Look at that river. Look at this. Oh yeah. Battle Mountain Summit. This must have been where it all went down. Look at this. I'm pretty sure that house says Merv the Perv. It says Merv the Perv on every house. Some people.
Look at these cliffs along the Eagle River. But don't worry, we will come back and revisit the town of Eagle and also the ghost town of Gilman.
Wow! We're 20 miles north of Buena Vista, running along the Arkansas River. Somebody's collecting school buses. There it is, Buena Vista. And I believe that's Mount Yale up there, 14,000 feet. Bread and salt. This out. Wow, what a cool area. Well, let's see if we can find them. There they are. How's it going? Are you live streaming?
After I got my camp set up, we ran to town for drinking supplies.
Check out the Super Southern Adventurer out here on the Valkyrie.
Now I know what you're thinking. What is that Valkyrie doing so deep in the woods? But that's just how the Southern Superman rolls.
Headed to town for supplies. I think we made a wrong turn.
Thanks for watching. On our next video, we're gonna cruise up to that old ghost town Gilman and check out that old mine camp. And then we're planning to go up around Aspen. We'll come back